Hello to everybody, I'm Riccardo Paganini from Cabra Engineering. I'm going to explain to you how this device works. Now we can to see the original box, and now I go to open this. This is the original packing. Okay, now we need the other part of the device that are the two laser spots. Okay, now we have the device, we have the box there, it's not necessary now, and we go to prepare the device for to work, okay? Okay. This is one of the two laser spots. We have a green line here and a green line here. So we put in the same place. One and two. Here we have red line with red line. And we check if the laser are going. Now I show you the function of the device. Okay, we have the horizontal bar here, where we have two laser support and the two laser on the vertical. So this is the digital goniometer, 0.3 degrees, or if we move 1.1. 1.5, 1.7, 2 degrees, 2.2 degrees. This is the function of the digital goniometer or the protractor. Okay? This is the bar for the knees. You can move this up until there. And you can to move the paletta. It's okay, palette in English. This is the horizontal bar for the knees, to have a fixed position for the knees. And we have the leg stop that we can to call friendly paletta in Italiano. Now okay. I show you how we measure the angle of the leg. Okay, we have a white sticker where we put a black spot in the middle. Then we have a calculator and a lever. So I put the black spot in the middle of the sticker, and then we go to operate. Now we start with the measurement. The people must be there in this position with the feet aligned here and the knees with the contact on the bar. We close the paletta to the knees like this and like this, and we move the two lasers from the vertical bar to the horizontal bar. Okay, now we can to see the two red spots on the knees, on the leg, sorry. We must to check that the bubble must be in the middle, and then we go on the inside point and the outside point here on the leg. Okay, now we go to measure the angle of the leg. We move the laser from the horizontal bar to the vertical bar. One and two. We move these up there. Okay, then we have the two lasers on the leg, and then we go to align the 2 point, the red point with the black point. Okay, we have the two lasers aligned to the black spot, like this and like this, and then we go to see the angle on the digital goniometer. Here we have 0.6 degrees open, outside. The right leg is 0.7 degrees open. The left leg is is 0.4 degrees open, more or less vertical, good shape. The last step is to do the canting regulation on the ski boots. We have several brands of ski boots, and each one allow you to do the canting regulation. Okay. For example, if we have Nordica ski boots, we have the line of the molds here. We put white sticker with the black line and another white sticker here on the middle of the line of the molds, like this, with the pen, a small line here. Then with this special table we put the ski boots on the device like this, with this reference and parallel to this line. Then we go with the laser to do this simple operation, and we can check the angle of the ski boots, 0.8 degrees. This is just okay for the angle of the leg of our testman. And in this case we don't do no regulation, because the canting is just set up in the right position. If we have another ski boots like Fisher, where we have again the two black line like this, and we do the same operation, we can check the angle of this one. We go to move the laser on the black line there, on the black line there, like this. In this case we have 1 degrees 0.2, and to set up the ski boots for our testman, we must move the canting, the cuff of the ski boots, from the right side to the left side, because the angle is too open for this leg. In this case, with the Atomic ski boots, we have an angle of 2 degrees close inside, and we must change the canting of these ski boots open outside 0.7, like the legs of the testman. So we bring the ski boots and we move the cams back like this. 1, 2, 3, and then we go to move the cams, so I can to change the angle of the cuff. 1, and 2. Okay, now we check if the angle is changing. We align the red spot again on the black line. And we see that the angle is changed from 2 degrees closed to 1.2 degrees open. We need 0.7, so it's necessary another setup. And we move again the cam down. Like this. And we check again. Okay, now the angle is 0.8, is the right angle that we need for the leg of the testament. After this, we close the screw and we go to check another important things. The very last thing to do is to check if the wedge is flat, and we need to use a lever. We put the lever inside to the ski boots like this, and we check if the bubble is in the middle. In this case, the bubble is in the middle and the wedge is flat, so it's not necessary another adjustment on the ski boots. Also for Nordica ski boots, we have the same situation with the bubble in the middle, and it's not necessary to do another adjustment. Thank you for your attention. For more information you can to visit our website skibootcla.com or cabraengineering.com.